My name is Janet, and I am a patient of Dr. Dado's at Mountainstar Women's Health at West Valley Medical Center. I am a mixed animal veterinarian. I live in Emmett, Idaho, which is a rural town, about 6,000 people, and I work in the next town over. The way I came about finding the clinic is that my mom was actually a provider at the clinic. I don't see my mom, I see Dr. Dado there. They're local, they serve the rural communities, and the reason I stayed at the clinic is because of the individualized care. I felt like she listened to my concerns, everybody knew my name, and in general it was a very friendly, welcoming environment. The reason I really like Dr. Dado is I feel like she actually listens to my concerns. I had some concerns about my previous delivery with my son, who's 2, and she took those to heart. You know, we had a game plan of what we're going to do to prevent those issues. The also reason I like her is I am an extremely type A person, and she is also type A. And so no stone was left unturned with any, testing, troubleshooting, anything like that. What I like about the clinic is when you first go there, the ladies of the front staff, super friendly, hey, how's it going? Even if they're busy, they acknowledge you. And it doesn't just stop there. The lab tech, every time I've had a blood draw or anything like that, super friendly. The ultrasonographers, very, very personal. So what I really like about the hospital, and I experienced this with my firstborn, is the birthing suite's awesome. If you're pregnant and you've not done a tour, do a tour, because that really sealed the deal for me. I feel like in general the nurses were all really friendly. I never had a bad experience. They were like, do you need something else? They were offering my husband's Italian ices and everything like that. I just felt like it was a good, overall experience. I didn't have anything negative to say about the staff there. If a friend was saying, hey, where would you go to, see doctors or give birth, I would definitely recommend where I'm going. I just felt like it was a personalized experience. And I think in general it's a very supportive environment, and I would say that goes from the receptionist the minute you walk into the actual clinic to when I checked in to give birth. It was supportive because this is a very overwhelming time. There's some uncertainties. Are there going to be issues? Are there not going to be issues? And I never felt like my concerns were not being heard. And so I would definitely say this is the place to be.